is AJENG number 30 from 90. So today I want to make a video how to make an omelette. So let's get started.
So the tools and materials you need are a pan, cooking handle, plate, bowl and fork, cooking oil, stove, some eggs, some salt. If you need, you can add a strainer. So the first step is prepare the tools and materials, and then pour the oil in the pan. And don't forget to flatten like this.
And don't forget to turn on the stove. Just a small fire, okay? Do you want to see me? Hello! So the next step is break the egg. Pour the egg into a bowl.
And don't forget to add some salt.
Sufficiently, okay?
And mix it. Woo! Look at this.
If you feel the oil is ready, like lubuk lubuk lubuk, which means it's ready to
Add the milks before, okay?
yeah, pour it, pour it. And then flatten the egg like this. Wow, feels so yummy. Oh yeah, if you feel the fire is too big, you can turn down the fire, okay? You can fold the egg if you want. Ooh, smells good. You can also flip the egg so the egg don't burn.
Looks good, right?
And do the same. Flip the egg. Okay.
If it feels enough,
Because there is a brown color in the middle, then turn off the stove, okay? And the next step is lift the eggs into a sieve. And just wait, okay?
and the last step is put the egg on a plate.
And the eggs are ready to be served. Oh my god. This is so yummy. It's a good taste. Thank you. Don't forget to try at home.